and a pink dog. It's too much Mopar here for that. Got SRT Kyah, SRT Jade.
What you gonna do?
That chop is fucking menacing.
Yes, I did the butler. If God exists, it's fucking me.
What's good, YouTube? So as you can see, we're currently in the car heading up to Atlanta. We're heading to this new meet. It's a collective community effort that I've started called The Culture. Pretty much the goal is to bring like the true culture of car meets back into the car scene, along with bring the community that's in Georgia together. All right, so we out here at the first culture meet. We got helicopter up top. Either they getting a city tour or either they trying to see who's gonna be doing illegal activities later. We got a Elantra over here along with 2 Mach 5 Supers. I'm not gonna lie, which one would y'all get? My bad. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna take the blue. We got a Charlie. Oh, this is copyrighted music. But we got 2 Lexuses over here, along with a little one. And a pink dog. Can we pet the dog? Oh, nah, never mind. Never mind. She don't like black people. Then we got a RS followed by an SS and this blacked out BMW. That shit nice as fuck. Got this SRT over here. I ain't on cap. Who signed this? Got a signature on there. It wrap clean as fuck. Oh God! We got another Charger. That Mustang sound good as fuck. We got this clean ass Subi over here as well. White on white, red accents everywhere. Y'all see what it is. And the fitment. I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was too.
I sort of seen it.
And we got a Civic over here, followed by Helmata. We got this green 5.0 over here. Can I get a rev? That shit sound good. That downshift y'all heard earlier, that's what it was. RTR grill looks fabulous. It's too much Mopar here for that. Got a Chrysler 300, 2 more Challengers. Ain't no cap. This color looks good as fuck. We got a Kia Soul, along with a Dodge Dart. I believe it's a Dart. Looks like it. Either that or an Avenger. Then we got Charger over here. Got SRT Kyah, SRT Jade. Y'all know exactly who they are. And this wrap is fucking phenomenal. Like, look at this. Y'all. And we got another Charger too. The devil horns on it. Scat. Another 5.0. This wrap is phenomenal. Trim course, y'all know. We got me. Got my boy Aiden. Why did you tie that on there? Very well. And then we got 2 more Chargers over here. I don't cap. This carbon fiber hood look good as fuck. Y'all see what the Instagram is? Go follow that. SS right here. And this Venom wrap on this fucking scat is so beautiful. Like, the detail, the purple wheels. Oh my god, bro, this is beautiful. And they're a veteran. I ain't gonna cap. This car is beautiful.
And it talks.
Can we hear it? That's crazy. And in the headlights.
You ain't one of them.
That's insane. Got four more challenges. And I ain't gonna cap. But this rap is fucking menacing. And then go all the way up to the roof. Then we bounce back around up front. Got a Hellcat uphill. Is it a red eye? Nah, it ain't a red eye. This shit's nice as fuck though. No hood. It's crazy. Feel like he's spinning. And then this wrap. I'll see what the Instagram is. Apex Customs. With a K.
For what?
Then he got his Instagram right there. With the rear facing GoPro mount. I'll see the sponsors. Oh, he on E85. He on E85. Oh, is this carbon? No, it's honeycomb. Is it? It's a carbon honeycomb wrap. That's nice as fuck. Carbon wing too. I don't even know what kind of Genesis this is. I didn't know that they made V8s. What is it? Oh, it's a G80. Ooh. Damn. Learn something new every day. Got a wide body scat. Carbon stripes. Nice as fuck. Got a Mustang over there too. Swing back around. There's that Instagram for y'all that want to follow. And some sound good. Real good. Oh. Venom sound good. Venom sound good. Venom sound good. What's up, Jade? Y'all see exactly who it is. You seen the interior?
Bro.
Look at the roof.
Bro, I did.
The roof.
That is crazy. Look at it. You see it?
The starlights.
Y'all like don't fit it. Get it.
That shit tough as fuck. We got a Daytona over here as well. He's on the interior of the hood as well. DLRs go crazy. Wheel lights go crazy. This build is phenomenal. RS. You. Ah, there was a cat peeking on the side of the door. Got another challenge over here. Pretty sure they leaving out to head to the cruise right now. We'll be there later on tonight. But yeah, we got another Civic out here. Nah, it's not an SI. Oh, it's got a new grill though. Might be a 2020. Is it? It is indeed a sport. Car sound good, but you went too far, my boy. Ooh. Stance. A little bit of stance. Oh, nice. All right. 1, 2, 3. This man don't play. Background. Drop that follow. They do not play. And then we got a wide body cat out here. Oh yeah. They don't count. That's in dark hill. That's in dark hill. Which one would y'all take though? Y'all take the Tally or the Charger? I'm gonna take the Charger. 4 doors, more. Y'all know the same. Let me swing around this way. Got this clean ass 5.0 over here. Got another Challenger that just pulled in. I think they might have been here previously. Oh no. Y'all can tell in the video. The canards on there go crazy. Alright, so it just started up. And that chop is menacing. That chop is fucking menacing. I saw. Yeah, but it, man, how long did the build take? That sounds good. A year and a half? Yeah. Hey, if y'all think y'all can't get a nice build like this that fast, y'all wrong, because it's been done. Oh yeah, it's bagged, by the way, if y'all didn't know. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is mint. Why the tow truck out here? I ain't gonna cap. This shit sounds so fucking good. Oh yeah, just pulled up a little bit late, but we got another AMG out here. That shit sounds so good. I'm not saying it, but y'all see it. Yeah, we got people leaving now. That shit sounds so good. Like, yeah. Your car sounds so good. The chop is insane. That shit is menacing. Yeah. Yeah. I already know what it is. God damn, that shit loud. That Jeep clean as fuck though. Y'all already know, Mopar don't disappoint. And that, did you just say period? Oh. I thought you said period when I said Mopar don't disappoint. I hope I caught that, but that Ultimate just went around and went. Which sound better, the WRX or the 5.0? They in the back, covering the tag, but yeah, they deep. You see what it is? We got this bitch. So it seems we got more cars pulling in. It's deep as hell out here. No kizzy. I didn't even see them when they pulled up. Another cat. I ain't on cap. That shit clean as fuck, and I love that blue. Got another SS. Convertibles out the ass. That vet. Yeah. That man just said he got a hole in his sock. Where is that?
What the fuck am I doing?
They got behind you? Yo. Got a Bronco out here too. That shit topping. And of course we got another helicopter. I ain't on cap. That's like, oh, see which LS in here. Got my boy Isaiah out here. Baby girl. Been a fucking fat ass minute. Got a wide body scat that just pulled in as well. But yeah, y'all see what it is. Everybody heading left. Heading to the cruise. Honestly, that'll be a part 2. Click right here for that video. The pink ass poodle with orange feet.
Gotcha. I just want me to run, bro. Second. Oh, you Jade. That nigga like a whatchamacallit.
He like some cotton candy.
Yeah. That man said, for sure. Y'all, on the forest side, this shit's nice as fuck. But this rap. Y'all over here talking about astrology signs and shit? Oh, thought you said she a Virgo. Oh, what that mean? Oh, I was about to say, I don't know the slang. I ain't from up here.